Typical Virgo, and I usually post content like bullet journaling on my channel, but today I decided to switch things up a little and post something else. It's a little bit uncomfortable because sitting down in front of the camera is a channel. It's a challenge because I usually film only my hands and drawing the bullet journal. But yeah, in my previous video I said that I want to also post on this channel something else. Not only my bullet journal videos, but still staying in this organization lane, theme, whatever. And yeah, that's also the reason why my channel is named Typical Virgo, because I love typical Virgo things. Organizing, cleaning, tracking. I just love the things that are typical for a Virgo. So let's organize my apartment because it has been feeling dusty, musty, crusty. If my space is cluttered and nasty, my mind is cluttered and nasty, and I just have to have a clean environment to live and to not fall into my depression hole and spiral into the depths of, yeah. So yeah, I have to have an organized environment and clean environment, so let's just get into tidying up. First thing that I actually do every morning is vacuum, and let me show you the culprit of why I have to vacuum every day. This little stinky boy. This is Sharky. Hi everyone. He is the cutest stinky boy, but he sheds a lot, so that's why we have to vacuum every day.
You are too cute for this world. A good boy.
I live in a studio apartment with my boyfriend and my dog, and so we don't have a lot of space, and that's why it's even more important to keep it clean and organized, because everything in one space can get so cluttered and so messy, and I hate that. I just hate it. So yeah, I have a lot to do and decided to just film it. Yeah, so let's just start organizing. Look how full it is, and we vacuum every day. So me and my boyfriend, we've been living here in this apartment for like 2 years now, but we are planning to move soon because this apartment is not really the prettiest to look at. This apartment has been amazing for us for 2 years. Our first apartment, it's special, you know, every first apartment is special, but it's not the prettiest to look at. It really is a small apartment and we work from home. So now we are in our search for a new apartment, and it's so exciting, and I can't wait to film moving in videos. I am gonna film everything when I move in. In our current apartment, it's really hard to film this type of videos that I want to film. There's not a lot of space, and even when I clean it, it doesn't look, you know, that clean girl apartment look, especially the kitchen. I can't film anything in the kitchen. The kitchen looks really ugly. Not me editing this video in another apartment. I can't wait to show it to you. It's so cute. It's even cuter than I imagined. I can't wait to show to you everything. I'm just gonna get a full new kitchen. I can't wait! So I can also film in the kitchen because this one is not it. Our apartment and how it looks, it has been kind of holding me back from filming this type of videos, but now I don't want it to hold me back anymore. I'm just gonna film it. It is what it is. It looks how it looks. I don't know how this video became just a bashing of my apartment, but nevertheless, let's continue this video. Oh my god, I just downplayed my video so much. I should be the opposite. I should be saying our apartment is the prettiest. Stay until the end because it's gonna look so different at the end. It's not, but let's continue with cleaning. Okay, next let's tackle my table. It's a mess right now. Let's tidy it up.
Look at the piggy.
Okay, so this side, my office is now done. Let's move to the other side. it's the next day. I couldn't finish filming yesterday, so I decided to just do everything that I had on my to-do list for cleaning and organizing my apartment today, and let's continue this video. Next are my plants. They are in rough shape right now, but I'm gonna water them and they're gonna look so much better. You can see that I haven't watered my plants for a while now, so they look a little rough, but they are strong, so tomorrow they are gonna look thriving, vibing and thriving. I swear, I'm gonna include a clip from tomorrow, because tomorrow I swear they're gonna look so much better. And then we're gonna make a dessert, because I have a lot of apples in my pantry. Well, not pantry, in my corner that I call pantry. Because you know, my apartment is very small. So my boyfriend's mom got us a lot of apples and they're kind of starting to rot. So I'm gonna make a dessert, an apple pie. And I'm craving an apple pie so much. The smell and the taste is just the best. Let's get to it. It's so nice to be in a clean apartment again, and it's not messy all around me. It smells amazing because of the dessert that I've just put into the oven. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching, comment down below this emoji so I know who's watching until the very end of the video. I'm gonna be posting a lot more organizational content. I hope we're gonna move soon, as I said in the beginning of the video, so I can't wait to start filming the moving series. So if you like videos like this one, subscribe and join my little community here. I am so grateful for you. And you are all so positive, I can't believe it, in my comments. I am having such good conversations, so comment down below anything and let's talk. Thank you again for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!